Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to create this ruffled black buttercream cake. I have a 6-inch cake that I have pre-crumb coated and I'm coating a second time in black frosting. The reason I do this is that when you pipe on your ruffle you don't really see to a white background between the ruffles, so it all camouflages and looks nice and full this way. I often get the question, how do I create black buttercream? I like to use dark chocolate ganache if I can as a base, so it's nice and dark already, and I just add in lots of black gel food color. If you're using buttercream, you can just add a whole bunch of black gel food color. It'll look grey, but I promise it'll set darker. Clear up the sides, bring a lip of frosting to the center, and let your cake set in the fridge for about 20 minutes. I'll be using a 104 piping tip for this project. I've got a disposable clear piping bag, and in here I am adding some black frosting as we did before. Another great tip is that if you have a whole bunch of colored buttercream that you used for many different projects, is still good, but they're all different colors, just add them all together in a bowl and add in a whole bunch of black gel food color. Your buttercream will never go to waste again. I like to start on the side of the cake with the larger end of the piping tip touching the cake at all times and basically scratching the cake to make sure that it's well and truly adhering to my cake. Work from the bottom and then just randomly up, down, sideways. You can see that I'm tilting my piping bag to the left and then I'm bringing it back up so it's straight. Do whatever you need to do to make sure that you have a nice diverse direction in your ruffle. I lined up the ruffle with the very top edge of my cake and I didn't go over, so I just kind of cut it right at the top there. Go over in any sections that might be lacking a bit of height, and your ruffle effect is done. Set in the fridge and then pop in your bubble tea straws if you're making this a tiered cake. You could use wooden dowels instead, and these are going to be cut flush with the cake and they're there to support any weight of your top tier. I'll be using a 4-inch cake sitting on top of this. Make sure to press those dowels in all the way. For the gold effect, I airbrush my cake using my Iwata airbrush. I've got edible gold paint in here and I'm just going all over, circular motions, working pretty closely. What you basically want to do is color the edges but not get really deep into that into the ruffles. You want the very base to remain black so it contrasts really nicely. And it should look a little something like this. On top I'm going to attach my 4-inch, so I'm adding some buttercream frosting to glue that on. There is a 4-inch cake board sitting in between, and I'll have a link in the eye icon up top of how to build a 4-inch cake. Take some tape, fold it over itself so it becomes double-sided tape, and then stick a ribbon onto your cake. For the decorations I've used some fake flowers and I'm sticking them on with a little bit of buttercream. Add some into the middle as well, just to break it up a bit more. And you are done. Really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you give it a go, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can see your awesome creations as well. Thanks again for watching, and if you like, you can subscribe to our channel. We upload a new cake decorating video every Tuesday. Bye for now.